At Carlton Motor Company, we like to do things a little bit different. Now, that's exactly what we've done with this van. It's a new arrival. It's a 71 plate Ford Transit double cab tipper twin wheeler. It's been in-house customised by ourselves. You've got your Raptor grille, white wing mirror covers. It's one owner. It's direct to us from a leasing company. And yes, it's had the time belt done. Come on, I'm going to show you around. So it's immaculate inside the cab, this one. No rips or tears in the upholstery. So you've got your bulkhead here, you've got 3 seats, you've got your cup holders, plenty of cup holders, DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, you've got your Ford Connect Pass app, you've got a very handy reversing camera, it's very, very clean inside, you've got your start-stop, good spec. So with it having the tool store in this one, it's all ply lined out in the rear. Just look how clean it is in the back. It's obviously got your ply line over the windows, there's plenty of security, nobody can see in. It's a genuine example underneath. It's had a very easy life, this one. You can see it's one of the cleanest tippers that we've seen, and it's very tidy in the back. We're uniforming for the showroom, as I say. You've got a tow bar on the back here as well. It's ready for work. One of the cleanest tippers you'll find. It's 16950+ VAT. If you'd like any more information on this vehicle, give us a call, speak to Chris. We will MOT it, we'll service it, we can deliver it, and it'll come with an RAC warranty. Thanks for watching.